Hey, sorry about that. What's going on, you guys? It's Collector 300, and I have is 3 Dark Explorer blister packs, 3 different artworks. And before I start, just want to make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, share, all that kind of good stuff. Really hope you're enjoying these videos. I know I'm having a great time putting them up for you guys, so any kind of support would be great. So let's get started with this first pack. Hope for some holographics, full arts, EXs, all that good stuff. Online card, as always. Alright, so let's see. We got a Zorua, got a Drillbur, a Dwebble, Torchic, a Minun, Scyther. That's awesome artwork. It's just an uncommon, but I mean, that's just sweet artwork. There's a Hooligan's Gym and Cass, Combuskin, Reverse Hollow is a Joltik, cute little guy, and rare in the pack is a, ooh, I think this is the first Venusaur I've ever gotten. Not even base set or any other set, so this is sweet. Holographic Venusaur. Dang. That's awesome. Alright, now onto the Venusaur pack. Move these out of the way. I guess I've just been really lucky with my pulls recently. Getting these 2 EXs just the other day. Now that Venusaur, that's awesome. So pack number 2, another online card. Let's see what we got. Starting with an Eevee, Sandile, a Torchic, a Vanillite, a Bulbasaur. Oops. Ivysaur. That's sweet. I just got the whole evolution chain. Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, and Venusaur now. Sweet. Dark Claw. Another N. It's like, why not just give him a full name? Just N, that's kind of boring. Reverse Hollow is a Plusle. And the rare in the pack is a, that's more sweet holographic. A Clink Clang. Rare holographic. Nice. On to the last pack, Dark Explorers. Here we go. Whoops, that was pretty bad. There it is. More online cards. Okay, we got a Tympole, a Tynamo, a Plusle, a Larvesta, a nice Woobat, a Palpitoad, a Torkoal, Yamask. That's a creepy card. Yamask is a weird Pokemon. Reverse Hollow Lillipup. And the rare is a, holy smokes, Kyogre EX full art. I mean, seriously, like, I don't know what I've been doing to get this good of luck, but dang, that is awesome. Mint condition. I mean, even especially since they're coming out of blister packs, so they're like completely untouched. They're even better protected than just like a loose booster pack or anything. Wow. So I've gotten 3 EXs out of my last 6 packs. That's just some serious luck right there. So I got the Kyogre EX, Clink Clang, the Venusaur. Awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, make sure to comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys real soon.